Hello, and I'm back again. Glorious day of sunshine. So I've put together a beautiful vegetarian treat. Now, what I've done, I found some halloumi in the cupboard. I found some wraps, and I found some peppers, onions, mushrooms, and tomatoes. So I soaked my skewers and I chopped up chunkily my vegetables and I put them all together on the soaked skewers. I covered with olive oil. I squeezed a lemon over the top and I added black pepper. No need to add salt because halloumi is a salty cheese. These went under the grill and then I finished on the barbecue. You can just leave them under the grill if you want, but what you end up with is an incredible vegetarian halloumi kebab wrap. Enjoy.